To store all configurations and system data efficiently, Mobius allows different types of configuration storage. You may choose configuration storage type based on the kind of configuration it needs to handle. When selecting a configuration storage type, choose the one that best fits the type of configuration you plan to store. The selected configuration storage type applies to the entire system. All products and modules within the same deployment will use the configuration storage. Changing the configuration storage requires a full configuration update. This means that all system settings will be reloaded, and every server within the cluster will need to be reconfigured. Let's look at them one by one. Amazon S3 is used for storing configuration on the cloud. It works like a secure warehouse where configurations can be safely stored and accessed when needed globally. This makes S3 ideal for storing configuration shared across multiple servers that are distributed globally. MongoDB is used to store configurations locally for all servers within the same cluster. It keeps configuration data in a structured and flexible format, allowing all nodes in the cluster to access shared settings efficiently. This makes MongoDB a reliable choice for cluster-level configuration management that needs speed and scalability. JSON is lightweight and simple, making it ideal for straightforward configuration files that are easy to read and modify. XML, on the other hand, uses a stricter structure and is better suited for more complex configurations that require clear hierarchy and validation. JSON and XML are used exclusively for storing local configuration. They store configuration files directly in a local folder. This approach can be especially useful when servers are configured using automated tools, where configuration files are generated and updated as part of an automated deployment process. To connect to external storage systems such as Amazon S3 or MongoDB, Mobius uses a connection string format. These settings define how the platform connects to the storage, including location, credentials, and access parameters. The connection string parameter depends on the selected configuration provider type. Each provider requires its own connection string format because it connects to a different data source and uses different access mechanisms. Amazon S3 connection string format. In this format, region is the AWS region. Bucket is the S3 bucket name. The key and secret are about managing identity and access to resources and permissions. MongoDB connection string format. In this format, a required prefix to identify that this is a string in the standard connection format, MongoDB : / or SRV connection format, MongoDB plus SRV : //. A connection string with a host name that corresponds to a DNS SRV record. Using DNS to construct the available servers list allows more flexibility of deployment and the ability to change the servers in rotation without reconfiguring clients. Username, password or authentication credentials. Host is the MongoDB host. Port is the MongoDB port. Default, AUTHDB, is the default database. Options is an optional connection parameter. You can find a link to all the current setup instructions in the description of this video. As a result, Mobius delivers a flexible yet controlled architecture, easy to deploy, easy to scale, and easy to maintain.